Wi-Fi connected but no internet, here's how you can fix. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So sometimes what happens when you are using Wi-Fi, you're connected to it but you could see the exclamation icon at the very top of the screen, right? So currently I have internet, so the exclamation mark isn't there, but you could see the exclamation mark when you're not connected to the internet but you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So here's what you could do in order to fix it. So for that too, you want to go ahead and open up settings. You need to go to network and internet. Now, depending on a type of version that you're using, so this interface might be a bit different. So you just want to make sure to go and locate something like internet. So open up network and internet. Once you're in this section, what you want to do is make sure that you've not enabled VPN. So usually what happens when you have any sort of VPN installed to your device or active, then it might be one of the reasons why you're having issue with the Wi-Fi. Next that you've done this, exit out. Then you want to go ahead and make sure to change your date and time. Like I already mentioned, if you have a different version of your device, then this is going to be in a different section. But since I'm using Google Pixels, I have it under system. So you might have this option under general management as well. So what you need to do is basically you need to change the date and time automatic. So here you just want to scroll down, you could find date and time. So what you want to do is make sure that you've toggled automatic time zone button over here. This is one of the reasons why you're having issue with the internet connection as well, or the Wi-Fi connectivity. Now that you've done this, what you want to do is once again go back to the settings, then locate network and internet. Then you want to go to this internet section and long press onto the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Or you could just go to the gear icon and simply tap on forget. Once you tap on the forget option, then you will be asked to once again type in your password, and that should definitely help you out. And at the same time, restart your device. This is going to help you. And at the same time, restart your device by holding onto your side button, and that is definitely going to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.